You are going to love the 2021 Ascent. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, roof rails, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find rear view camera, leather trim seats, Wi-Fi hotspot compatible, audio, internet radio, Pandora, airbags, driver, knee, heated steering wheel, audio radio, touchscreen display, heads-up display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.